Welcome back to Firefly Studios. My name is Kadia, and today we're going to continue our C# fundamentals, this time going into extensions. So extensions are a way to add functionality to an existing class inside of Unity or whatever program. So in this case, I want to, instead of having to type out every time collision.gameObject.name and putting that in a debug, instead of having to do this every time, I want to just be able to call a function to do it. In this case, it's one line of code, but maybe you have multiple line of codes, like something to detect if you are hitting an object from the top or from the side or like what have you. So you can use an extension. So all an extension is a script. You can just call it extensions, or you can call it specifically like collider extension or what have you. And the script is pretty simple. We just have to change a couple things. The first thing we change is we make it a public static class, and we remove the inheritance from mono behavior. I'll link up top a video about inheritance. Then you have to create a static function that, this is the important part, is reads in this collider 2D and then whatever you want to name it. The reason why we chose collider 2D here is because we want it to extend our collider 2D class. So if you wanted to do a rigid body, it would be this rigid body 2D rigid body or what have you. And then you can do whatever code you want. And what this gives us access to, in any script, I can just do collision.myFunctionName, and then I can run that code. It's a very good way to keep code organized and clean, especially if you are doing things such as a lot of like detection stuff. The main use I've used this for before in projects is for determining if we are colliding with the top of an object or the side of an object. Think like in Mario, how you've got like the question mark boxes and you only want the mushroom to come out of it if you hit it from the bottom. Stuff like that takes several lines of codes, and it's a lot cleaner to just be able to say collision dot is hit from bottom, and that will return a bool. Alright, that's all there is to it. It's pretty straightforward. Hope you found this video interesting. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I'll see you in the next one.